You know what? This video could literally change the trajectory of your entire life. If you implement the 8 strategies I'm about to share with you, there's genuinely no reason you shouldn't be financially free, maybe even a multi-millionaire, before you turn 25. So grab a pen, grab a notebook, maybe light that candle for some ambience, because I'm about to break down the exact blueprint that took me from broke teenager to building a 7-figure net worth before I could legally drink. These aren't just theories. This is the real deal roadmap that actually works. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how teenagers become wealthy in 2025. The very first step is this. You need to decide what percentage of every single dollar that comes into your life is going straight to wealth building. Notice I said percentage, not amount. Look, maybe you're making $100 a week from your part-time job at Target, or maybe your parents give you $50 in allowance. You might think, if I save $10 a week, that's nothing. But here's the thing. You're not just saving $10. You're building a habit that'll make you rich. Because what happens when that part-time job becomes a $5,000 a month business? What happens when you're 20 years old and pulling in serious money? If you've trained yourself for 5 years to automatically save 20% of everything, that's now $1,000 a month going straight to your wealth building. The millionaires I know didn't start rich. They started with the right habits. So right now, decide 10%, 15%, 20%, whatever you can handle, but pick your percentage and stick to it religiously. Step 2 is about removing temptation entirely. You need to automate your wealth building so you can't mess it up. Here's what I want you to do. Set up automatic transfers. The moment money hits your account, boom, your wealth percentage disappears into savings before you can even think about spending it on the latest iPhone or those Jordan 4s everyone's posting about. If you're still living with your parents, have this conversation. Mom, Dad, I'm serious about building wealth. Can you help me set up a system where I literally cannot touch this money? Make it inconvenient. Make it require multiple steps. Make it so that even when you really want to spend it, the friction stops you. This isn't forever, just until the habit becomes unbreakable. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Step 3 is going to sound crazy, but get a credit card as soon as you legally can. Now, before you panic, I'm not telling you to go into debt. I'm telling you to hack the system. Credit cards are literally free money if you use them right. Cash back, travel points, building your credit score. These benefits are insane. I personally get thousands of dollars in free flights every year just from my regular spending. Here's the rule. Only put expenses on there that you'd spend anyway. Netflix, Spotify, gas money, whatever. Then pay it off completely every single month. Never carry a balance. Never pay interest. Start building that credit history now, because when you're 25 and want to buy your first investment property, you'll thank me for this advice. Step 4 is setting up all your investment accounts before you need them. This is huge. The biggest reason I didn't start investing until I was 19 wasn't lack of money. It was lack of infrastructure. Opening brokerage accounts seemed complicated, cryptocurrency platforms were confusing, I didn't understand how anything worked. Don't make my mistake. Right now, while you have time, set up your Fidelity account, your Coinbase account, your Roth IRA. Download the apps, link your bank account, figure out how everything works with small amounts. I want you to actually practice buying $10 worth of an index fund. Buy $20 of Bitcoin. Not because these amounts matter, but because you're removing every barrier that could stop you later. When you're 22 and have $5,000 to invest, you want to be able to deploy it immediately, not spend 3 weeks figuring out paperwork. Set up the infrastructure now while the stakes are low. Here's step 5, and this might shock you. Investments don't make you wealthy. Investments preserve wealth and provide security, but income makes you rich. You will not invest your way from broke to millionaire on a $15 an hour job. The math just doesn't work. You need to focus obsessively on increasing your income. Start a side business. Learn high-value skills. Freelance. Create content. Build something. The teenagers making serious money right now aren't just saving harder, they're earning more. I started my first business at 17, a simple social media management service. Nothing fancy, just helping local businesses with their Instagram. That grew into a full marketing agency, and by 19, I was making more in a month than most people make in a year. You don't need to follow my exact path, but you need a path. You need something that can scale beyond trading time for money. Find a problem you can solve, learn a skill people will pay for, or start a business that can grow. The investments come later, income comes first. Step 6. Live below your means, but don't be stupid about it. I see people making $100,000 a year driving 15-year-old cars and refusing to buy coffee because some guru told them every latte is costing them millions in retirement. That's not living, that's surviving. Here's my philosophy. If you're investing 30 to 50% of your income and your future is secure, enjoy the present. Life is meant to be lived. But if you're spending 90% of what you make on lifestyle, you're setting yourself up for stress, anxiety, and financial prison. Find the balance. When I was making $10,000 a month, I lived like I made $3,000. When I hit $50,000 a month, I lived like I made $15,000. The gap between earning and spending, that's where wealth lives. Step 7 is about scaling your wealth building as your income grows. When you're making $2,000 a month, saving 20% is $400. Good start. But when you're making $20,000 a month, you should be saving way more than 20%. Maybe 50%, maybe 60%. As your income increases, your lifestyle costs don't need to increase proportionally. That gap, that's pure wealth building fuel. This is where most people mess up. They make more money and immediately inflate their lifestyle to match. Instead, inflate your investments to match your income growth. Step 8 is the holy grail. Living entirely off your investment returns while your income builds even more wealth. Let's say you're 25 and you've built a $2 million investment portfolio. At an 8% return, that's $160,000 per year in passive income. If you can live on that $160,000, every dollar your business makes can go back into investments. This creates a wealth snowball that becomes unstoppable. You're living for free while your net worth explodes exponentially. This is where I am right now. My investment portfolio covers my lifestyle, so every dollar my businesses generate goes straight back into wealth building. It's the closest thing to a money printing machine that exists legally. Look, some of you will watch this video and think that's cool and do nothing. Others will recognize this as the blueprint that changes everything. I grew up with a single mom working retail jobs. No dad, no mentor, no one to teach me about money. I had to figure this out the hard way. But you don't have to. These 8 steps aren't theory. They're the exact path I followed from broke teenager to financial freedom. The only question is, are you going to follow it too? If you want the detailed playbook on building that income stream I talked about in step 5, I've got a complete tutorial showing exactly how to start a profitable online business. Links in the description, but finish implementing these steps first. Your future millionaire self is counting on the decisions you make today. Don't let them down. Subscribe for more wealth building content. Leave a comment with which step you're starting with.